hardcore I am of Pokemon's, of me cosplaying as well. So
Cosplaying as well? No, where did you post it?
Oh yeah.
Where did you put it?
On my stream.
Oh, let me
on my
see.
stream. I put it up there.
Let me see, hold on. Is that me?
That's the true Nightfly. He lives and breathes.
Oh, man, I need to go live. Why am I wasting? Oh, I am live. Alright, I am live. Welcome, everybody, for the fight of the century. Alright, so I'm gonna go ready here. Oh, I need to.
Oops, I need
to share stuff on the social media. So I'll share it here.
And you have to teach me how to connect the Game Boys together.
No worries. That's easy peasy, I think. Look at you! Look at your game! One of these days. Remind me, I want to show you how I did it myself. How I did it when I didn't have a capture card. But it's good. It's good. It looks good. I have to say, it looks good. Publish.
Classy.
Alright.
So let me aim this a little down.
This is all good. This is all excellent.
Alright.
First thing you need to know is, hey, Bork! Toby! Welcome. Alright, so first things first, the first thing you need to know is that I still haven't finished this game.
Oh, Vloggy, fail.
That's okay. I have a decent team, and if I don't win with this team, I have another one, of which the game I have completed. Silver Drift, welcome. Nice to see you. You guys might want to take a look at through stream as well. See how he's streaming it tonight, this evening, this afternoon, this morning on his end. All right, so let's see how we can do this. Let's see how we can pull this off. All right, so this is as far as I got in the game. So here's what we need to do. We didn't add each other friends yet, have we? No,
we have not.
So what you do, if I'm not mistaken, prediction, I win 103%. Angelo, pull it off. So here's what we're gonna do. Press the home screen, so you go like into the main menu or something.
Home. Yes, I'm there.
And then we need to go to up. You need to find friends list. You see that up there?
Meverse. Internet. Notifications. Friends list.
There you go. Now, friends list. Let's see. I'm gonna show you my friend code. You take your time and add me. There is me.
Okay.
You see that my friend code? Obviously I need to be on my stream.
Oh yeah, I have your stream, but I stopped it. I just looking at chat.
Yeah, just pause it. Just pause it on the friend code. You don't need to open the stream because it's a waste of bandwidth.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah.
And then I'm gonna have to do the same thing then after you're done. So add me. And then I'm gonna have to do the same thing.
It won't.
No, I'm gonna have to add you as well, I think. That's how it works. I need to add you, you need to add me. Still. Nintendo! Okay. It's 2018! These are 2007 methods to add somebody.
Oh, it's asking me 1,000 questions!
What? I'm probably setting up.
Would you like to do this? Would you like to do that? Would you like to do this? Would you like to do that?
I want to see. You're probably setting it up for the first time ever. Another one! Get down! How are you, buddy? I give 4 to 1 odds on Vloggy winning. I don't know. I haven't finished the game through it, so. Let me just. Let me just stream snipe.
Finish the game.
Oh, there you are.
Register a friend. Okay, internets. Oh well, it's a long code.
There we go, and then you put in the code. You put in my code. Do you want me to read it out loud for you? I got it. Guys, if you want to check out True Stream, alright, go over to his side and you can see how he is streaming it, and there's also him cosplaying it. He went all in, he's cosplaying as well.
Yeah, I'm a hardcore cosplayer. People know that about.
So if you want to check him out, he's cosplaying as well.
Enter a name of the person you would like to register. I can name you whatever I want. Poopy Pants. Poopy Buddy. Vloggy! Okay.
VloggyBuddy. Midna, hello. You're not late. You're in time for the match of the century.
You're late. Get out.
Hey, Ivan.
Okay. So I registered you, and now you need to register me.
Yeah. So what you do? Go onto your profile. Go on your profile. So what do I do? Register friend.
Oh yeah, I see. You should be able to see it on my
Please don't move it though.
Can you see that?
Yes, so it's alright, don't move it.
Now the whole internet can add me as a friend. I'm gonna get stalked on my Game Boy.
Nah, you need to accept them. I mean, we need to add each other. So even though they add you, it won't make a difference unless you actually add each other. Look, it's true. He's so cute. He does look like you.
Pretty accurate Game Boy version of me.
He does look like you. Hey, Cosmic Lily, welcome. So yeah, me and my all-time rival are about to have our battle, our Pokemon battle. So we can go back into the game now.
Oh, I see you. Oh, there's Vloggy.
Yeah, that's him. That is true. That's what true looks like. That's him. He's like, there's just a picture of a fat guy in a Pikachu costume. That's him. That's him cosplaying.
That's me.
Yeah, that's him. That's what he looks like.
I say I work out.
You know, no wonder Sakura drools all over when she sees him.
Yeah. when you look that good as Pikachu, the ladies, oh, they can't resist.
Alright, so I'm back in the game. Now what you need to do, let me just check my team real quick. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna disable the second screen because I don't want you Steam sniping. Top bottom. There we go. Bottom screen is now disabled.
Oh, I have to update my Pokemon.
Update your the game? You have to update the game?
This is a software update.
Yeah, you won't be able to go online unless you go, so I'll wait for you, it's not a problem.
Yeah. Wait, like 4 days ago. Updating.
I'm very confident in my team. I think I'll be able to pull something off. I think. We'll see.
I'm not confident. My team was like the first. Like the first 6 I caught.
You finished the game before. You finished the game. I still haven't. So I wish Bill was here.
Yeah, I did finish the game.
I wish Bill was here to see this so that he would cry. You know.
Bill and
can't stay long. Are you playing more of your game? I don't think I am playing more of the game. No, I'm just battling through, and that's it. This is gonna be the stream today.
Yeah, this is a short stream.
Battling best out of 3, basically. It's gonna be a best.
That works for me.
3,000 years later. Now we're waiting for everyone to come into the stream, you know? I don't want anyone to come in and like, oh, I missed it! Your stream was only 20 minutes long! You know?
Yeah, really.
I'm gonna make a glass of wine in the meantime, because that's how I roll.
He's gonna make it, ladies and gentlemen. He's gonna stomp the grapes personally.
Ooh, nice. Bubbly.
Little champagne.
It's over 9,000 years later! I think your internet is very slow. That's why it's taking forever to update. Your internet, get good.
My PC's internet. I'm like Bill Gates up in here. All right, it's done.
Then I'll guide you on how to proceed with the rest of the activities.
I'm logging in.
You're going to make, as in pressing the grapes, fermenting and stuff? Yes, and it's done already. I'm all about the grape life.
Everybody hating on my internets. Oh, it's magic.
I wanna be on your stream. I wanna see what you're doing. All right, you finished then. All right,
I'm in the game.
There we go. Oh, I see a reflection. Hello. I saw your reflection. Hello.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Look at you.
I'm literally in my sweatpants, still my glasses on, I'm in a blanket.
Oh, you're all set to cry then. Yeah, for your loss.
I just need some ice cream, I'm good to go. Vloggy was so mean.
You're using dial-up, Toby says. Alright, so what you need to do once you get into the game, you need to go into your menu, and go to Festival Plaza. If you've never been on Festival Plaza, you're going to be given an introduction of the Festival Plaza, so...
Oh, I think I went there once and I didn't know what the hell it was, so I left.
Yeah, alright, so you go to the Festival Plaza and you wander around.
Yeah, I've been here.
Alright, so now... Hold on. Did I just quit?
What?
Yeah, I quit the Festival Plaza, I'm stupid. Let's try again.
Juan says, what is dial-up? That's either a joke or a hate.
So, battle... Let's see. Link battle...
I just click battle?
So we're gonna do a single battle. A battle for the singles.
Oh, so we got the single men.
Alright, so now I'm refreshing the list, waiting for you to go in. So I should be seeing you at some point. I'm refreshing the list.
Guest list, VIP list.
Yeah, so you're in there. Okay, so let's
see you.
see. Yeah, let me just give it some time. Oh, is that you? I see a guy. What's this? Who's this? Are you true? No.
Are you?
Oh, it's me! It's me from the other game! How funny is that?
Wait, are you like walking around the plaza right now? Should I be able to
I don't think you'll see me.
you?
I don't think you'll see me walking around in the plaza, but let's see. Let's see. Link battle. Let me try to look you up
How
again.
do we do things?
Refresh. I don't see you! I see Toby, but Toby is offline though. Where are you? Where are you?
That's my Pokemon.
Do I need to add you to the VIP list or something? I don't know how this works. No, not necessary.
Link battle, single battle.
Oh, I need to go online. I'm so stupid. I need to go online. I am so stupid. All right, one more step. You need to go online. You see that Wi-Fi button at the bottom? Click on that. You will be connected to the internet. Would you like to connect? Yes. Oh man, that's why you can't see each other. Both of us are offline. You need to do that. Hey Bill, I was just talking about you. You're gonna see what I'm like. We're gonna see what I'm like when I'm angry. So we're going online.
Okay, I'm connecting right now.
Alright, so now we're online. Now we should see each other.
Alright, connected to the internet.
Alright.
It's like a close-up view. I could just like do plays. I'll be like Thing from.
So now if I go on battle
Adam's
again.
Family.
Battle, link battle, single battle. I'll be sending you an invite myself. So, oh, there's Drew. There he is. Would you like to play with Drew? Oh yeah, play with Drew.
Oh, you have to play with Drew.
All right, I found you.
Inviting you to a singles dating
dance.
Site.
A singles dance.
Singles dance. Oh yes.
Oh man.
Oh, that's the Vloggy.
I'm so scared right now. But again, I'm defending myself already. I haven't finished this game.
So this thing auto levels our Pokemon, so they're not like crazy over or underpowered.
Yeah, they're both. They will all be 50, level 50. Your moves are stay the same. So who decides the rules to be selected? I'll decide. I'll decide myself. No, I'm gonna make them plain and stuff. No, everything's gonna be plain.
I was gonna say, only Vloggy's Pokemon have attack moves.
Single battle.
Drew's Pokemon only have Splash.
Drew's Pokemon will always miss. Alright, so participating team.
Do I have to click anything here? Select a team to battle and start the battle. Is that just
so? Yeah, you select your team. Yeah, you select your team. There's my team. Thank you very much.
It says battle team like I have a choice. I mean, I only have 6 Pokemon on me.
Yeah, exactly. 6 Pokemon, that's right. Now, let the battle begin. Let the battle begin. Don't you dare lose, Drew. Aha, Bill. Alright. Alright. You have to give it all I've got.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Except those times I lose, then forget about it.
Let's see how this is going to go.
Please select participating. Oh, we're doing 3? Or how many we're doing?
I think it's going to be 4. I think it's going to be 4. I think.
4.
No, 6. You can choose. No, it's 6 against 6.
That's it. Oh, well, then I don't
know. I see you have a legendary. Okay, I see how it is.
Oh, I thought you they weren't allowed or something. It would automatically.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry.
Take it off.
No worry.
I have like 2 legendaries.
I only see 1. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, that's true. Oh my goodness. That's okay. That's okay. Get ready.
He's not shiny or anything. Oh, I didn't cheat like you. And all your shiny.
I will still defeat your Pokemons.
I'm so. Oh, but your Gengar.
I'm ready. My team is ready.
I have Gengar's little brother. It's not fair.
Come on.
Oh, so
here it comes. Here it
comes.
comes.
Just so everybody knows, this is literally the first time I've ever done an online Pokemon battle for any generation of Pokemon. I have never.
He's already excusing his loss.
I'm just nervous, man. I'm just nervous. My controller's shaking. Don't look at my screen.
Go Gengar! Gengar!
No! I hate Gengar. I hate those Pokemon.
Alright, Gengar, don't you fail me, sucker!
You see how big my boy is? He ain't afraid of no ghosts. Suck it! Oh, it's communicating? It's gonna like lag.
Yeah, no, I just need to choose my attacks. That's why. It gives you a second.
Oh, okay.
Hypnosis! Hey, you got legendaries. Hey, you got legendaries. Don't you dare complain.
I hate hypnosis. I knew you'd use hypnosis.
Alright, now then.
No, then.
What's this move? No, I'm gonna save that for later. Alright, here we go! See what you get when you mess with the warrior! Victory sip. Oh, you slapped me! No!
You ain't eating my dreams, son. Oh, you didn't use a shadow ball on me. Not very effective, Vloggy. Incorrect, sir. Communicating. Please stand by.
Are you ready?
I knew it! Oh, I hate you.
Hey, you have 2 legendaries. I'm gonna use this in my favor. You have 2 legendaries.
I know. When my whole team is asleep, I'm gonna rage quit.
Okay, now then.
Let's just slam my game.
I need to be very, very cautious with this. Alright, here we go. Do not disappoint me in front of Toby. Go! Oh, communicating? No. Go! Big Red!
Oh, tactical. Uh-oh.
Alright. Use splash! Use splash! Oh, come on!
Yeah!
Alright.
Oh, uh-oh!
No!
It's your attack!
No!
Somebody's gonna get hurt.
God dang it. I should have anticipated this. You know what? Alright, bring it. I'm dancing!
Oh, you gonna dance at me? This is a
disco,
dance battle?
good.
You're getting down. He done
Oh no!
the yard.
How do you know this move?
I know
No!
everything.
Alright, that's good.
Oh.
That's okay. That's okay, actually.
That's alright. Everything gonna be, every little thing.
Disco, good!
Oh, I don't like what you're doing right now. I don't like what you're doing right now.
Uh-oh.
Freeze dry this turkey.
Oh!
Knocks him out of the park.
Alright. That's fine. Now then, that's fine. I bet you don't have one of these.
No! I actually don't have one of those. I never caught a Pikachu. We gotta get out of here. I don't like where this is going. I'm scared of you? You think I'm gonna switch Pokemon like I'm scared. That's what you think.
God dang it!
I ain't afraid no Pikas. I cosplay as Pikachu. I ain't afraid of you.
Oh man! What are your Pokemon? I forgot what Pokemon you have. I don't wanna. Screw it! It's happening! It's happening! Screw it! It's happening!
It's going down. Oh no! No! He's Z-moving or something! Don't you Z-move me! Ah! No! Articuno! Run! What is that? What is happening? I've never seen his Z-moves. I'm gonna run! Jesus!
Yes! Boom!
He nuked me!
Rip! Critical hit! This is so intense! My sphincter right now is all tight!
It's tight like a tiger!
Tight like a tiger! Oh my. Alright, what do we have here?
We got a bad mamma jamma. That's who we got here.
Toik like a toiker. Alright, Pikachu.
You think your little sideways hat makes you tough?
No! Wow.
Yeah!
Okay,
I didn't think that would work. Well, I didn't think it worked that much.
Time to be scared again. Be very scared. Time to be scared, okay?
Yeah.
Be very scared. It's
Smell
just a doggo. Hello! Hello! Hello, love! Hello, love!
I know your weakness, Gengi. Me no likey. You don't sleep me.
You sure?
Oh, I'm sure.
You sure?
I'm sure. Oh! You how confused right too. Of course you do. I hate status effect moves so much.
Oh no! Oh no!
I got it off! Crutch!
No! No! Holy crap, man! How are you one-hit-shotting me? That's not good.
That's a dark type move, and your Gengi is
But
not
still.
strong enough.
I'm scared now. I'm kind of. The hacks are real. Alright, I don't know about this one.
What is a Salazar? Salazar. Salazar! You brought him back?
Let's see.
Mr. Kennedy!
No, that's the other one. That's Alfred Ashford.
Eat rocks, son!
No! Are you kidding me? I'm letting him win. I'm letting him win, guys, alright? Just so you know. I'm letting him win. This is all part of the strategy.
If I win, I'll change out my legendaries so there's no shenanigans.
No, I can't.
But this guy is not legendary, by the way. This is
okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Oh, I remember this guy from the game. I hate this one. I forget what you are. You're a flying rock metal.
Are you ready to get crushed?
I'm ready to bite you. I'm a dog.
Uh-oh.
And I'm fast.
Crap.
Yeah. The metal claw's not gonna work on me. I'm super strong. Oh dang, that really hurt. No! Oh yeah, you going down. A tang. Justice rains from above. Don't you?
No! What? No!
Quick claw, baby! Quick!
Sucker!
No! Whoa! What color is that Charizard? What'd you do to him?
The color of death.
Oh, that's it. He's done. He's done for. I haven't met a Charizard I haven't wanted to outdip. And I die.
Alright.
Oh, I got you. I got something for you, buddy. Let's just say this Pokemon works out. This guy goes to the gym all day.
Oh no! Oh no!
He don't play.
I'm gonna try this. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Alright, you gotta do a good Pokemon
do what
there.
I think you're gonna do. Oh, that might actually be really hurt.
No, nothing.
Nope. Eat bubbles!
Eat bubbles!
Eat my deadly bubbles.
Yes, I can handle bubbles.
No!
Oh man, I should have done something else. I'm so stupid.
I should have.
My strategy.
Right.
I missed my strategy. Whatever, that's fine. Try again.
Don't you do stuff to me?
Hello, Inferno. Welcome. Nah, it's not gonna work.
I got a shiny Gyarados. Oh, you don't, Toby. You're lying. What you tell me these things?
Okay.
It's a shiny true learn. Oh, you have a shiny. I knew it. All your Pokemon are shiny, you little cheater.
Hey, I got those legit. All right. All right.
Get out
please,
of here,
please work.
Nobody loves you.
Please work. Please work.
No, I think I want to do this to you out of spite. Please work. My plan works.
Oh no!
Yeah. How you like taking naps, son?
Ah, nice one. GG.
I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna maybe fight him. We're gonna wrestle.
You're just playing with me now.
we're gonna wrestle.
All right. You know what? You won this one, but
I defeated Vloggy. Now pay me just like in the game.
You had 2 legendaries.
Yeah. I'll switch out my legendary guys.
All right. Should I switch up my?
I don't know where I switch them. No, I don't want to save it.
I don't want to save the battle. It's a stupid battle.
Ah, no.
GG through pure luck noob. Thank you, Nightbot. Thank you.
Hey!
Look at Nightbot.
Let me see. I haven't even.
Look at that. Thank you, Nightbot. You have my side.
I can't see. Pure luck noob. Oh my god! Don't you turn Nightbot against me? Such a...
That is epic! I need to take a screenshot of that. Hold on. We need to take a screenshot of that.
That's neat. How do I access all my Pokemon?
Copy. And then I'll save it later. That was funny. I didn't lose, no. I was just practice. This was just a practice match. Should I change my team? I have a better team.
This? You lost? Yeah, VR. Before our
VR.
Yeah, he lost.
Hey,
he
VR.
Got on.
Hey, VR. How are you?
He got whomped on pretty hard.
Hold on. I want to try something else.
I don't know where. Do I have to leave this magical land to change my Pokemon? Is that the situation?
What? Yeah, you would need to. You need to leave the magical land. Yes, you need to leave the magical land before, if you want to change.
Here's a computer.
In the meantime, I am going to go with this game. Do I need to update it? No. Okay. Whew.
How do I get the hell out of this place?
That was just warm up.
How do you get out of purgatory? I'm stuck in here.
Purgatory. Okay. I'm starting Ultra Moon now. I'm not gonna be in Ultra Sun. Sorry, Ultra Moon. I'm gonna be in just Moon now. So,
are you using a different team?
Yeah, I'm using a different game. Yeah, I have to change my team.
Okay.
I have to change up my team. I have to step up my game now. All right, I have to step up.
Yeah, you're gonna put in a bunch of legendaries now.
No legendaries. No legendaries. No, we're good. We're good.
Oh, you think you're funny? Mr. Funny.
You're going to cry.
Alright, I'm gonna get this guy in. Alright, little Articuno. Got a good nappy nap. I don't even know who else I like. I don't like any of my Pokemon. I don't know who you are. I don't know what you are. I've caught some weird Pokemon, man. These things are odd. That guy's adorable. I didn't even know I had him. Kojitamaru.
Alright, let's see. So, I'm in the Fantasyland or whatever it's called.
Level 11 Lillipup, you going down, Vloggy.
What?
A level 1 Eevee? Oh yeah, that's the team right there.
Are you ready to battle? Stop your trash talk. I'm going to take you down.
I don't think I'm ready for this jelly.
I don't see you yet though.
I'm not there. I'm still switching Pokemons. I'm gonna put this. I hate this guy. Oh, this is gonna end poorly for me. I can already. Wait, what does that say? The moves and stuff sure can't use. There might be a chance of.
There was.
Vloggy.
If it won't be compatible, I will switch games again. No problem. But I have a team that's over here. I mean, I don't feel like transferring it, so we'll see. There's a chance it might not be compatible. We'll see. We shall see.
I am here.
You're in Trulandia. You're in Disneyland.
I'm here in Trulandia's offshoot.
You should build a castle like that in Minecraft. Look how cute that castle is.
That's pretty adorable.
Single battle. Let's see if we can do this. I don't think it's. I think Toby is right. I don't think we're gonna find each other. Let's see. I keep updating, but I don't see you on the list. Do you see me?
Do I have to like reconnect every time I go on the festival?
Yes,
thing?
yes.
Oh, I do. Oh, okay, my bad. I thought it would save that situation. All right, hold on. Connecting.
Okay, I think it's showing that someone went online. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I see. True. There we go. I'm sending you an invite right now.
Wait a minute. I'm in like checking data or something. A global mission is happening.
Don't worry about that. It's just, I don't know. It's nonsense. It's a nonsense.
It's nonsense. It's beneath us. Alright, I'm here. Whoa! Oh, you have sunglasses! You're Mr. Cool Pants now, huh?
Uh-huh. Alright, so what's going on? Oh, who decides the battle? Oops, I'm staring. Whoops.
Yeah, waiting for you
Sorry,
here.
sorry. Alright.
Sorry.
So I'm gonna look over here. Alright, so please select the rules. Single normal rules. Would you like to select normal rules? Yes. Oh, there's at least one person who can play with these battle rules. What? Please choose another set of rules. Let's go no restrictions then. You wanna go no restrictions?
Sure. It sounds like you're cheating, but sure, let's do that.
There's at least one person who can play with these rules. No, it's not compatible. It's not compatible. I'm gonna have to switch my team again. Sorry about this. It's not working.
Oh, even with no rules?
And yeah, it's not working because the games are not compatible, obviously. There are some moves in Ultra Moon that are not available in Just Moon. So no worries, I'll switch games. It won't take a minute.
Oh, you were playing regular Moon?
Yeah, I had to switch to regular Moon because
Wait, no, I'm in Ultra Moon. What are you talking about?
yeah, but I'm in regular Moon on my end. So it won't, yeah, because of certain moves.
That's weird.
It might be a Z move or something like that, yeah. Would you like to let it know? No. Come on, just... What's going on? Oh my god, I'm gonna switch this off. It won't let me exit.
Oh boy. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to leave this game then.
No, it won't. You won't have to leave the game. I'm leaving the game.
Well, I mean, not the game, but I can't stay in here because you're about to leave this screen, right? An error occurred, yeah.
No. Once I get in, you'll see me going in. Let's see.
An error occurred. The trainer has left the building.
Does it say that?
It said something about you leaving.
Oh, he left.
Okay.
Alright, so
I'm chilling here.
Going back to Ultra Moon.
Talking to people. He is Verde, one of your guests. Who are these random people in here that they want me to register as a VIP?
I don't know. I don't get how that works. Are those real people or just NPCs? That is the question.
I mean,
I don't know.
They have weird names that would lead them to believe they could be real people. They're all capitals like dumb kids would put super kids.
Alright,
this one's in like Japanese. It's got to be a real person.
Alright, so I'm coming in again. Festival Plaza. NPCs. Toby says they're NPCs. They're not real people. Okay.
Really? Oh wow.
They try to make it sound like you're online and this interaction with other people online. It's like, this is amazing. No, they're just NPCs.
I was so amazed by the technology, and now
it's like going on Minecraft and seeing the villagers, and you're like, oh, look how many people are online in this game. And it's just single player.
And all they say is,
why are they hard? Yesterday we're going.
Oh yeah, that's true. Crazy French axemen. I'm going to kill you.
I will kill you. With the X.
My baguette will kill you.
Alright, so battle, link battle, single battle. Alright, so I'm gonna refresh the list. Updated, but I don't see you. Did you go out?
I'm in the village with connected to the internet.
I'm connected, right? Let me just double check again. Yeah, I am. Let's try again. Oh, there you are. Alright, sending you the invite now. Alright. You are requesting a single battle.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah, buddy. Sakura, what the fuck is this? Fat Drew?
What?
I think she saw. Sakura just saw my cosplay. That's me. That's what I really look like.
Alright, so places, please select, decide myself. Alright, and we're going with normal rules. So, alright. Single, normal. Let's go. Confirm. Now, please stand by. Participating team. Oh,
yeah, that's my team. All normal Pokemans. Just they're better than yours, that's the only difference. I can't stay long. I'm cheering for Vloggy. Thanks, Sakura. Thanks so much.
Alright. Come on.
Let the battle begin!
Let the battle begin! True done. Alright, here we go.
It was a firefight!
Alright, so how am I gonna start with? Let me take a look at your Pokemon.
Stop looking at my Pokemon.
Let's see what you got. Oh, okay. I need to be careful on that one. Okay.
What does this thing do? Oh, I have to select all these Pokemon.
Alright. Alright, I'm going in. Hold on. I just have to decide my first Pokemon. That's all you need to do. Decide your first.
Oh, is that all you have to do? Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. They like do 1 through 6. It's so nice.
Here we go! Let the battle! We're wearing the same shirt, you and me. I just realized.
Oh wow! When we go shopping together, we have the same haircut.
We're buddies. We're buddies.
We're best buds.
Best buds for life.
This is the worst. This is the worst potato stream. Thanks to you. This is the best potato stream.
Oh come on! There was that one time when Wesker was doing potato stream and he was streaming vertically instead of horizontal.
Yeah.
His stream was sideways and nobody told him, and I thought he knew. Nobody said anything because everybody assumed he knew. Alright, so this is not good. Alright. I know for sure that this is gonna work.
Salazar. Yeah. Gross. Yeah. 99. Ow.
Now then,
yeah, get out of here, you bum. Aha!
oh no!
Aha! Eat bubbles!
Those are some strong bubbles.
Yeah, he knows how to blow a bubble. I'll tell you that much. Oh, will this work?
All right. I'm gonna try. No, I'm not gonna try this. No.
Oh, true sweetie, poor dear. Silence before.
Silence before. I kill you. Alright, let's try this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's try. Yes!
Oh boy. Ah! Poison anthem fused. A poor Poliwrath.
Poliwrath.
Baby. Pull through.
Come on. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me?
Yeah! Psychic!
Whew.
Oh god. I'm all hurt and confused here. I'm all discombobulated. Yeah, get him out of here. Oh,
Okay.
perfect. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted to do.
Are you sure?
Fight a Gyarados while I use Bubble Beam. Plan.
Puny bubbles.
It's all going according to plan here. I'm gonna
No!
need...
No! Wrong move! Wrong move! God dang it! Wrong move! No! No! Oh my goodness! I messed this up. That's it. It's the end of the game. Oh, I wish I could back off.
Oh, what do you mean wrong move? That might kill me.
No, that's not what I wanted to do.
Not.
God dang it!
Well, that didn't do anything. Well, that's, I guess fair is fair. My move didn't do anything anyway.
Alright, no worries, no worries, no worries. I don't think I can switch out now with Dragon Rage.
I don't even know. Oh, that's right, yeah, you have to keep raging, yeah.
Now I'm raging.
I don't even know if this is terrible. I don't even know if this works. I don't even know if this one's effective against that, or...
Scyther!
Yeah, Scyther, go do stuff. Almost positive we're gonna get raged on here.
Okay, looks like I can.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Send out your fire. Your shiny Mr. Fire. That's not gonna work. Do. Hey.
I'm gonna try something.
Oh, you think you're funny. You think you're Mr. Funny Fan.
Thank you for doing that. Thank you so much for doing that.
Uh-huh. Your smoke doesn't scare me, sir. Just because you're shiny. Come on! Come on! You're just gonna smoke scream until I can't hit anything.
Exactly! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Oh, quick! I hate you so much. So cheesy. What a dada roll! That's it. You're getting slid on, fool. It's going down. You can't hide from my rocks forever. I got snacks on snacks. What I missed? Oh, Minda, you missed Vloggy losing. That's a starter. Oh yeah, this one.
No! Come on!
Yeah!
No! Come on!
That's right! That's what you get for cheesing me with that smoke. Get that big red trash out of here.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
it's completely fine.
Nobody loves big red. Oh! You think that's the secret? That's what you think. Mr. Gengar is gonna save you.
No! Come on!
Going downtown, baby! Crunching!
Are you kidding me? Come on! Oh, come on! I smoke screened you 3 times. I smoke screened you. Come on!
You did, but my guy has very good vision, so that's how that happens.
That's okay. That's okay.
V4's already chilling for me. She's already betrayed you. Oh, Salazar's here, huh?
Alright, I have another strategy. One strategy after the other. They're all going down, my strategies.
I forgot this guy was asleep. Oh, but now I'm freaking blind and I can't hit you anyway.
Of course.
Yes!
Oh my goodness, man. I had like 3 strategies. They're all done. They're all done, my strategies. All of them are gone. Nothing. I'm done. Alright, one last strategy. My last strategy. My last one.
Mr. Floaty guy, man. I crunch on you. Let me give you some Captain Crunch if you know what I'm saying. Oh, damn it!
About time it missed one.
Jesus! I am afraid no ghost.
Once again, keep in mind that I still haven't finished this game, alright? I still haven't finished this game through Has. So...
Hey, also keep in mind, none of these Pokemon are late game Pokemon I'm using. They are all like starter Pokemon, so don't let that excuse fool everyone watching.
So are mine.
Well, that's totally even. You even have a Gengar. I only have a Haunter, so totally cheating.
No, it's not cheating. What do you mean it's cheating? Why is it cheating, having a Gengar?
Because you traded with someone and I don't have friends to trade with.
That's not cheating! No, I didn't trade with anyone. I have 2 DSs actually.
Well, that's definitely cheating. Probably not effective, but I'm gonna use it. Oh, it's going down for real. Oh. Oh. Damn it! Damn it! Vloggy, you screwed me so good. I hate you. Of course you send out your fire guy as I use my fire Z move! XY whatever move. It's gonna be like 10 damage.
It's not very effective.
No kidding. I hate you. That's it. I'm just going old school.
Go
old school fisticuffs.
Like this?
What you know? No! Stop smoke screening me. You get. It's just. I'm getting. Oh damn!
This is funny.
You're going down, son. Don't you do it. That's it. Get punched! I hate you so much.
One more.
Nope, no more. That's it. That's it, I hate you. I hate your levels are rising.
Oh, come on, with the third one it works? Are you kidding me?
Punch, Joe! Yeah!
Come on, dude!
Fisticuffs! Send out your next victim, yo!
Alright, we got this, we got this.
That thing's weak. You can't even see right now, he's got blood in his eyes.
Alright, I mean, I'm gonna have to give it my best, like this. Oh, come on, dude! Three smoke screens and come on! That was all a plan, actually. That was all a plan.
All my Pokemon have contact, so their accuracy is pretty good. Oh, you think Gangster Chew over here is gonna save you? That's what you think. He's over there going, Pika scared, Pika.
All right, come on, don't embarrass me, Pikachu.
I don't think that's gonna kill me.
Are you sure?
I don't think so. I mean, I'm like a fire dark. I don't think electricity's gonna. I mean, it's gonna be hurtful. That's for sure. I don't think it's gonna one-shot me. Let's see. Rainbow power. The Power Rangers are going in.
Power Rangers go! Oh my goodness, nothing. Nothing. Still on green. No. Oh, hello.
Happy.
Oh, you're confused.
Oh, dude. Oh, that's right. I used Thrash. Damn it. I forgot about that. I forgot about that side effect of the drugs. That good?
I got wrecked. I got wrecked today, so I have to reorganize my team. I'm gonna take my DS with me where I go over the weekend. Anyway, I'm gonna take it with me, and I'm gonna have to work hard on my strategies.
You're just gonna at work all day, just practicing against my Pokemon.
Yeah. Oh, come on!
Wow! How did you miss? I'm the confused one who's blind. Oh, I hurt myself.
Alright.
No, I got no quit. I got no quit. Incineroar is gonna finish you off. I don't care if I'm blind and confused.
Haha! It's me, Mario!
Get him.
Oh, come on, really? Did he shoot the flame out of his crotch?
He does. Oh, God.
My Pokemon are still babies.
Crunches.
My Pokemon are still babies. That's why I lost.
Oh, babies.
That is
Yeah,
why I
Gengar.
lost.
That level 3 Gengar is such a baby.
How about a double battle now? One double battle. One double battle.
One double?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
So I'll lose in every department.
No video. No video, we say this. Okay, yes.
Here's what's going to happen now, alright?
Okay.
Here's what's going to happen. We are going to battle one more time. If I do lose, I'm going to give everyone in chat 200 pants points. 200 for everyone in chat. If I do lose, so true, this is on you.
Oh, no.
Double battle.
Pressure.
I'm challenging you to a double battle. So true.
You better not change your Pokemon.
Alright. No changing Pokemon. Come on. Hey, RET, welcome!
What up, Rit? You're lucky. Stop telling Nightbot to hate on. I know you're doing this. Nightbot.
Oh, Nightbot, it's nice to see that you have my side. Thank you.
Nightbot doesn't love you. He's just programmed to love you.
He's programmed to love you. Alright, let's do this. Nightbot is savage. Alright, here we go. Confirm. Sending you my Pokemons. Sending you my Maltese, I mean. Just, you know how it is.
So we're only using 2, or we just use 2?
We're gonna use 2 and 2, so it's gonna be a 4 Pokemon battle now. You're gonna use a total of 4, so it's gonna be 2 and 2.
So I only pick 4.
You need to pick 4. The 4 that are gonna be in the battle. The first 2 that you pick are the ones you're gonna send out first.
I didn't pick one though.
Alright, so here we go.
I don't know. I don't know if I did this right.
Okay, so select participating Pokemon. Here we go.
Oh, now, so we select 4 or 2?
Yeah, you select 4.
Oh, okay.
Alright, my team is ready. My body is ready. This is gonna be the final. I have another strategy. Let's see if it works. Come on, I need to win at least 1. At least 1. I look bad in front of V4 now.
V4 doesn't love you no more.
Nah. Alright, here we go. Shakes fist. If I lose, everybody in chat.
I only selected 2! No! We
What?
can't do this! I don't have 4.
Sucks to be you.
Well, I guess.
Why did you select 2? Now you know my team! Now you know my Pokemon are! This
you
is...
know my Pokemon! What's the difference? I don't know your other 2!
How do we quit? We can't quit, I think.
Run?
Run?
Can
no.
I run?
Would you like to forfeit?
Oh,
yes, yes. Ah! I forfeit! Now I lost!
Whatever.
I forfeit, now I lost. It looks like I lost.
That didn't count. It's a
Draw.
draw. See, it was a draw.
Alright, so guys, so far we have 2...
Right,
I have 2 losses and a draw.
We have to stick with those first 2 we showed each other.
Alright, yes. Alright, fair enough. Alright, we do that, yes. Alright, we'll do that. Play with the same rules. Alright, here we go again.
Yeah.
So yes, if Truebat defeats me, everybody in chat, active in chat, is gonna get 200 pants points. Alright, so True, it's on you if they don't get them. I'm gonna make people hate you.
Now, you turn everyone against me. Where's my pants points?
No, everybody's gonna be against me now. Everybody's gonna be rooting for you so they get their pants. Alright, here we go. I forgot what Pokemon I chose, actually.
Yeah, I'm about to get wrecked.
Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm ready. Please choose 4, okay? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Numero 4.
4. You said 2. Okay, I have 4.
If you win Vloggy, we get 400. No. If I win, nobody gets anything.
Oh, hate Vloggy because I'm gonna let him win now so that you guys don't get any points.
Me, my evil laugh. Are we drunk?
Oh god, yeah.
Go! Gengar! Big Red! Make me proud!
I am about to get slaughtered! This is like the worst two to start with against those two.
Nice.
Okay, this is gonna be super ugly. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, maybe we'll make some magic happen here. I don't get one-shotted, we might make some magic happen.
You can switch Pokemon if you want, you know that, right?
Yeah, I don't care.
Alright.
I stick with my boys.
Alright.
I ain't
Pick
afraid
your
of
poison! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Fight like a tiger!
Fight like a tiger! Dragon dance, get out of here with that garbage. I know your Pokemon get to attack first.
What is
Get dark
that?
in here, son. That's a dark move. You're done. Bye bye, Gengar.
Alright. Wow, that was a lovely move. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We got this. We got this. That's okay. We still got this.
Nope. I've decided I'm gonna win. Oh, you think Mr. Shiny Pants is gonna save you? That's your goal. No, you didn't.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I have a strategy.
What's happening? Why aren't my things working? Do what I say. I want you.
Come on. Come on. We got this.
Why is this not working? Oh, I see why. Never mind. Okay, I didn't even know. I hope what I just did worked. Okay.
I don't think it will work.
I think it's gonna work. That's gonna hurt a lot. But not gonna kill me. Oh, Jesus! It's Mr. Smokescreen over here. That is not the one I wanted you to use Thrash on, you dummy! I hate you!
Why do you keep losing? Do you like losing now? Shut up, shut up, shut up. No, this is all part of the strategy.
V4's hating.
Arity. I want to battle you, Arity. I know it's not your... It would be awesome to battle you. I need to find weak trainers.
Yeah.
No! No! But it's just bubbles, alright?
It's just some bubbles.
Bubbles
Everybody
are...
relax.
Bubbles. I'm manly. Oh no, oh no. Yes! Yes!
Damn
Sorry.
it.
Yes!
Damn it.
Say goodnight to your sweetheart. Alright, so... Alright, here we go. Here we go. No! What the heck? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, come on!
I guess some of that smoke drifted over there.
I know, right? No! At least you're confused now.
I'm all confuselated now. Get out of here with that trash.
No, I didn't do much. Wow. Alright, let's try again. Man. Man. Oh, come on.
Yes.
Come on, my RNG was terrible in this game. Come on.
Dead man walking. RNG. I don't want to hear that Resident Evil talk. RNG, man.
Alright, well, at least something's happening.
That hurt.
Okay. Alright. No, what are you doing? What are you doing, game? Alright, there we go.
What is this?
What is this?
Oh. Yeah, you should do that.
Let's see. Oh, come on, he's gonna stay asleep for 5 turns? Are you kidding me?
He's
oh,
a sleepy
dude.
boy. Ugh, poison. Oh,
Ooh,
now I'm blind.
Wow.
And actually got it off. Yeah, get punched and kicked.
Wow. We'll see. Oh, come on! Come on! He's staying asleep for like 5 turns. Come on!
He's tired, man. Oh, it's gonna hurt.
No, it's not.
Wow. Dang, when that happened in the game in the single player, I got wrecked. Damn it! Now he wants to be blind. Get killed, Salazar!
I still haven't planned out my team properly. Next time I want a rematch.
Oh, I bet you do after you train for like a month against my specific Pokemon.
My goodness. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, come on! Come on!
Oh wow, that like did nothing. But I'm gonna punch you to death anyway.
Alright. Ah, I'm so raging right now.
This is why you need the.
Oh my goodness.
I want to see this. Oh, did I even lose a Pokemon? Did I just
Shut up.
sweep you? I did. All my Pokemons are alive.
Shut up. Shut up. I'm gonna give a pants to everyone in chat. Everybody's gonna get. Make sure you're active in chat. Make sure you're active in chat because I don't want people telling me I didn't get my pants. Make sure you're active in chat because I'm about to give them now. Live stream panel, exclamation mark, reward, 200 pants points for everybody. 3, 2, 1, boom. Alright. Reward and everybody get the 200 pant point.
Everybody get the pant. Oh wow, Nightbot, what happened there? You little salty there. Oh, you all saw it. Everybody done seeing my Pokemaster skills.
I got wrecked. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I just let you win to give you some encouragement for the next battle.
That's what it was. Build me up before you break me down.
This was the match of the century, but next time would be the match of the millennium.
Oh, good lord.
Time to get to my hacking ways. I'm kidding.
I know. Next time I log in, it's 6 shiny legendaries.
No,
that's interesting.
What skill? No, that wasn't skill. All right, he got like I missed all my hydro pumps, all of them. Come on, I stayed asleep for like 4 turns. Like, are you kidding me? Come on.
Yeah, that's called karma when you tried to blind me with your smoke screen over and over. That's what happens. Your Pokemon get smoke in their eyes.
I'm very salty. I'm gonna go to bed and try myself to sleep now. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for playing with me. Next time, it won't be this. I will get you next time, Gadget. I will get you next time, Gadget. See you, buddy. Thanks so much for hanging out. Thanks to everyone that stopped by in the stream. I'll see you next time. Bye, have a great time.
Adios.